Hi, in this video I will show you how to recover deleted message on the Messenger. So the process is pretty simple. First of all, open your Facebook mobile application and from the right top click on these three lines, and after that you will see page like this. You have to click on the settings and the privacy. Once you will click on it, now you have to click on the settings. After that you have to search for the information. You have to click on the download your information, and you will see page like this. Now you have to deselect all and search for the messages only from here. So here is the message option, click it, and after that click on the create file, and after that you will get this file through your email within 15 minutes or within 24 hours. Hope this video will helpful for you. See you next time. Thank you.